name is Brad Sweet, the commercial marketing leader here at Allegion. I've been in building products for over 20 years in both the hardware and plumbing industries in marketing and product development. Throughout the last 6 months, we have studied ways the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the healthcare industry. Let's focus on 3 key takeaways from our research. Those include COVID's impact on infection control, security, and the value of staff. Of course, a big piece of this story highlights how hospitals and healthcare facilities are working to limit the spread of infection. Our first key takeaway shows us a majority of facilities altered their door hardware to help reduce the spread of the virus. As you can see on your screen, we found 93% of facilities are using touchless access control, with more than half citing it is up from before the pandemic. Touchless access products are now found in patient rooms, ICUs, nurseries, and in surgical suites. Restrooms are another popular location for these solutions, including hands-free door pulls or automatic door operators. These automatic operators can make doors ADA compliant, so it is a win-win for hospitals. We also found 89% of facilities are using antimicrobials, which is up from just a third in 2016. One thing I found interesting about this is the types of antimicrobials being used. While copper has shown more promising results in reducing the spread of viruses, you can see now it is only being used by less than a quarter of hospitals, which are using many silver-based products. The pandemic also had significant security impacts, and that brings us to our second key takeaway. On your screen, you'll notice nearly 3/4 of those surveyed are now restricting access to specific areas that used to be open, and more plan to implement these restrictions in coming months. While hospitals used to be more open to patients and visitors, many have reevaluated the flow of people for health and safety reasons. They also have to protect people and property, like their PPE supplies. This could be related to the increase we saw in electronic access control adoption. With electronics, it is easier and more efficient to monitor and control access to specific areas. Additionally, contact tracing efforts become seamless throughout the building, especially with mobile devices. Our last takeaway discusses the value of staff. Hospitals are prioritizing staff satisfaction, which we saw over and over again when asking about how they would evaluate the effectiveness of new solutions. This might be due to the pandemic's impact on the healthcare workforce and their desire to keep staff safe, happy, and healthy. According to our research, over 6 in 10 sampled hospitals cited improved staff satisfaction as a key measure of effectiveness for antimicrobials, touchless solutions, and quiet solutions. With continued attrition and high turnover, maintaining staff satisfaction in these facilities is becoming increasingly important. These takeaways provide just a glimpse at what our research uncovered. Please take a moment to dive deeper into our research by downloading Allegion's 2022 Healthcare Trends Report at the website listed on your screen. Thank you.